How dopamine helps you learn English faster. The science of motivation. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Have you ever felt super motivated to study English one day and then completely unmotivated the next? That's because motivation isn't about willpower, it's about brain chemistry. Your ability to stay consistent with English learning depends on dopamine, a neurotransmitter that controls motivation, focus, and habit formation. In today's video, we'll explore how dopamine affects learning, and I'll show you science-backed tricks to boost your motivation and make English practice feel effortless. Why dopamine is the key to learning consistently. Dopamine is often called the motivation chemical, but its real function is reward prediction. It releases when you expect a reward, keeping you engaged in activities. It reinforces habits, making repeated actions feel automatic. It boosts focus, helping you stay on track with learning. When dopamine is high, studying English feels exciting. When it's low, everything feels like a struggle. The good news? You can hack your dopamine system to stay motivated every day. Step 1. Set up small wins to keep dopamine high. Your brain loves quick rewards. That's why long-term goals, like becoming fluent in English, often feel overwhelming. To keep dopamine high, set up small, daily wins. Use a checklist. Mark off every study session, no matter how small. Track streaks. Apps like Duolingo use this trick to keep you motivated. Give yourself a reward. After practicing, treat yourself to something small. Each win releases a dopamine boost, training your brain to enjoy learning. Try this. Set a mini goal today, like practicing English for 5 minutes, and reward yourself when you complete it. Step 2. Turn English practice into a game. Games naturally increase dopamine because they are engaging, competitive, and rewarding. You can apply this to learning English. Use AI chatbots for real-time conversation challenges. Compete with a friend to see who learns more new words in a week. Use gamified apps that give you points and badges for progress. The goal is to make learning feel like fun, not work. Try this. Turn today's study session into a game. Challenge yourself to speak for 2 minutes without stopping. Step 3. Attach English to activities you already enjoy. Your brain releases more dopamine when learning is linked to pleasure. Instead of forcing yourself to study, combine English with things you already love. Love music? Listen to English songs and learn the lyrics. Love movies? Watch your favorite films with English subtitles. Love gaming? Play online games where you can chat in English. When learning is connected to fun, motivation happens naturally. Step 4. Use the dopamine detox trick. If you often feel unmotivated, your dopamine system may be overstimulated by social media, junk food, or distractions. A dopamine detox resets your brain's reward system. Take a break from social media before studying. Avoid instant gratification, like checking your phone every minute. Do deep work. Focus only on English for 20 to 30 minutes without interruptions. This makes studying feel more rewarding because your brain isn't overloaded with distractions. Try this. Turn off notifications and do a focused 20-minute English session today. Final challenge. Apply one dopamine hack today. Pick one of these tricks and use it in your English practice today. Remember, motivation isn't magic, it's science. If you understand how your brain works, you can stay excited about learning English every day. Comment below. What motivates you the most to learn English? Stay consistent, stay motivated, and see you in the next video.